Alright, today is what is this? February 20th, and yeah, this is about 3 p.m. and I'm at a sign over here. It says a ramen from $9. Yeah, I saw the sign. There's no store name, so I'm gonna go inside. I guess I'll find out. Yeah. So outside over here it says Hana no Sato, right? I wonder if that's the name. All right, I'll check. Yeah, it is. I checked, and then actually, this is the name of the restaurant, Hana no Sato. Right over here. This is King Street, and Reeves and Broad just right across the street. Yeah. So there's a meter parking. Yeah, $1.50 per hour. So yeah, and I thought, okay, I'll take a look. Yeah. All right. So, wow, one person. Okay. All right. Okay, so, yeah. Hi.
今お寿司がちょっとないんですけど。
I don't speak Japanese.
Okay, so we don't have a sushi at this moment.
Oh, okay. No, no.
So
I'm not
everything
eating
else is
sushi.
good.
Okay. You. All right. The menu, right? And then they also have, yeah, right here. Okay, that looks good. Hana no Sato Gozen. Okay. Wow. Oh, you get all this $18. That's really good. And then, okay, no sushi today. So, wow, this really looks good. Salad. I was thinking about ramen, the sign I saw outside, right? You know, but this kind of changed me. So okay, so we get rice, soup, and all this. So that really looks good. I think, hi. So this is with all this for 18.
Right, it's really good, and you can pick the entree from here. So this is a karaage chicken, but you can pick anything you like.
Oh.
So you can pick like a salmon, or this is a karaage. It's like
I'll just take that. Yeah.
the karaage chicken.
Right here?
Yeah, this is really
Okay.
good. Okay, thank you.
Thank you. All right, I chose mine, $18. All right, so I'll continue once get them. But yeah, here's a look around the place. Got it. Yep. And yeah. All right, I'll continue once my food comes out. Alright, my food came out then. Oh wow, this is a lot. It looks a lot. Yeah, miso soup right over here. Okay, I'm gonna get that too. Okay, wow, all this for $18. We got this. Alright. So, take a look. chicken.
Today's #1 for relaxing favorites. 159 no way.
Salad, really good with the seasoning. So, we got the miso soup. Tastes good. Different. Very soft tofu.
Which fish is better, the mackerel or the?
This mackerel is a different, yeah? It's like a cure. It's a cure. So if you order like a regular mackerel, it's real. Yeah.
Yeah, it's definitely good. Really good. Wow.
저보다 미포 and 미포요. 하고 이렇게 they got the show you. They said one and one
See the sort of flood. Pizza salad. Oh, excuse me, ma'am.
It's really good here.
The bento fried to
Okay, it's there. Okay. Just how about
Oh, those are corn. This macaroni salad with potato mixed in, potato salad. Yeah, very nice. Thank you. Here you go. Thank you. Wow. Each meal really so delicious.
Tomorrow dinner is supposed to be faster tomorrow. Tomorrow. Today's your free day.
Finally, I'm already in. Wow, it really was a good meal. Right? That final tea. Alright. This was a very good meal, and thanks for watching.